Hey, listen! Subscribe to our channel and like the video and share it with your friends, or else I'm gonna eat you! Please subscribe right now. Please, please! Hey guys! Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to make a paper crocodile. That's going to be fun, right? A paper toy animal. A paper crocodile puppet, to be exact. So yeah, guys, we're gonna make it. So my dad is going to first make it. Then I'm going to show you how it works. So I hope you enjoy, guys. So yeah, let's put in the paper crocodile and look, it's going to hunt you. Oh, please don't bite me. Please don't bite me. I did nothing wrong. It's biting me. Help! Help! It's biting me. Get off me. Oh no, it bit me already. Now it's coming to eat you. Yum, nom, nom, it's going to eat you. Don't worry, I'll save the day. See, isn't this crocodile puppet so cool? Don't worry, it's not going to actually eat you. Don't worry, he's not alive. Oh, it's alive! Don't eat me up! Yeah, this is not alive. I mean, if it was, then yeah, I wouldn't be here. And I probably wouldn't be recording this. Okay, wait a minute. Hey, the crocodile has something to say to you. Hey guys, I'm a crocodile. I am gonna tell you something important. So guys, look at that crocodile's teeth. Wow, look at his teeth. Hey guys, the crocodile has something to say to you. Hey, listen. Subscribe to our channel and like the video and share it with your friends, or else I'm gonna eat you. I'm gonna eat you. I'm gonna eat you. Okay, no need to eat. I'm gonna eat you then. Okay, never mind. Please subscribe. Please subscribe for me. Please subscribe for me. It's gonna eat me. Please subscribe right now. Please. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I really hope you did. If you did, then subscribe to our channel and like the video and share it with your friends or family, or else I'm going to get eaten. So yeah, bye guys. Hello, Forest Department? Yes, I'm being held hostage by a crocodile. I'm gonna eat you. Yes, please come right now. Over.